Still struggling with a crowded workspace? Next-gen compact desktop wax 3D printer WJ51C fits effortlessly, even in the tightest spaces. Want to focus on your creations, but client order keeps piling up? Delivering perfect results alone is overwhelming. Limited capacity means limited revenue. WJ51C makes production effortless. Material changes take just seconds. From slicing to printing, one person can do it all. Handle multiple orders with ease. Full capacity, double your income. WJ51C, the go-to choice for jewelry design studios. All new wax materials. Superior strength, enhanced toughness, complex geometries made easy, next-level surface precision, flawless detail reproduction, industry-lead precision. Ready to use results. 15 micrometers layer thickness. WJ51C. Precision meets efficiency.